Hello everyone, this is my video demonstration for my Paw Pals social networking website project for coursework 2 CST 2120. My website concept is basically a community for dog owners and lovers where they can gather and talk about dog stuff, share tips, share their lovely dog photos, and anything dog related is welcome in this website. I'll walk you through the main features of the system, including the front-end interactions and the back-end web service. So I run this website on a local host by using Node.js to create a server, and then I basically run it on a browser. When the website first loads, the first page shown is the login page. And we cannot proceed without an account, so we will go ahead and start by making our new account. Here I will enter my email, username, and a password. If I try to leave anything blank, the website shows a validation message, and it wouldn't continue. This prevents invalid inputs. Same goes for our login page earlier. Now I'll register a new account, and once it's created, I will be redirected back to the login page. I can also show proof on MongoDB Compass that our account has been created. Let's go ahead to our users, hit the refresh button. As you can see, there is our info for the account. Basically, MongoDB Compass stores data for our website. Next, I'll log in using the details that I just created. Once logged in, the main interface appears with the sidebar navigation. This will be our home feed. It displays posts from the users I follow, including my own posts, and each post shows the username, timestamp of the respective posts, text, and any images. Since our account is fresh and brand new, our feed would be basically empty since we are not following any users at the moment. So for that reason, let us find users that we can follow by going to the Follow Users page. Here I can also search for other users by username. When I click follow, the system updates my following list and the button switches to unfollow. So let's go ahead and see what these users are talking about by going back to our main feed. So this is what other users are posting in this website. If you don't like what a user is posting, or for example, you disagree with this person's opinion, saying that cats are better, you could go back and click unfollow. So if I click unfollow, it updates again. This happens without page reloads because everything works through Ajax. Okay, what if we want to filter our feed and say that we're only looking for a specific keyword? We can also do that by heading to our search post section in our sidebar navigation. Here I'll search for a word that I want to find. Let's say that I'm interested about finding a short description about Samoyed. As you can see, all matching posts are displayed with their text or images. Let's do another example like maybe owner. It should show posts related to owners. And yeah, that's basically it for the search post function. And now that we've seen what the other users are talking about, we can also make our own posts by clicking the create post section right over here. Here I can write a text post, upload an image, or even do both. I'll choose an image to upload. The image preview appears immediately after uploading, confirming it was stored on the server. Now I'll add some text and click post. The page brings me back to the home feed and the new post that we made appears at the top since our algorithm shows the recent posts first. This post appears also on our profile page and will also store our data in our MongoDB Compass as usual. Once we refresh, it should show our post information data. As you can see, the content of our post appears in our database. So now we will go ahead and check our profile page section. On the profile page, I can see my account details, including my username, email, follower and following count, and all my posts. My posts appear in reverse chronological order, the same as in our main feed. And then finally, once we're done, we can also log out. When I click log out, my session ends and the website returns to the login page. All protected pages become inaccessible unless I log in again. That concludes my demonstration of Paw Pals. This project implements user registration, login, session handling, post creation, image upload, user searching, following and unfollowing feature, feed display, and Ajax-based interactions between the client and my Node.js plus MongoDB backend. Have a pleasant day and thank you for watching.